just checking. You know what I mean. Oh well, where am I? Okay. Hello guys, my name is Jebidan here, and today I will show you how to make a elevator, or how to make an elevator. sorry for my sorry for my poor English pronunciation, but who cares? I will study English. Okay, so ignore this position thingy. Just checking that I'm still recording. Sorry. So today I will show you how to make an elevator. Good news! Already, I just own a Minecraft version, the latest version that have a scaffolding. I mean scaffolding. And guess what? I got it for free for my tutorial. But if you like to know how to do it, I will link you to the tutorial of how to download Minecraft Windows 10 version for free. This one, however, it's a bit suck. It's already signed into an account which you can't choose. And guess what? It just sucks, but you have to deal with it. This is what you get when you wanted to do it for free. So in a way, when you installing it, follow the instruction that I already give you on the video. Well, yeah, it's error. So you have to go to the next tutorial of how to fix it. In this tutorial, next tutorial will be linked in the description. And guess what? You have to download third-party program called Atom, which also I will gladly intro gladly provide the download link into the description below for the third-party app Atom, the 21st century text editor. So okay, I'm just wasting time, so without further ado, let's start. So let us so this will be the perfect place. Okay, pick a modern one, like the block that really suits you. Okay, so we are going to use scaffolding for this tutorial. I mean, heck, why not? Okay, so before you leave, I will show you the most important part of this. Okay, so how to use it? Well, simple. You press backspace. To accent, you press shift. There. But the tutorial is not done yet, people. So okay, to make an visual elevator, you have to have a sign. Okay, so this. Okay, so for one out of three. Okay, so where is? Sorry about that. I'm a bit sick today. So let's just add a door to make a nice touch. Or you can also use like you can use pretty much glass in this matter. Damn it, matter. Yeah, like you can. Okay, so hmm. And also pressure plate. I mean, why not? Hmm. Okay, and you can add like a descending elevator. Like you can add the second one here. Here the second one is for descending. Okay, so sorry, here we are. You can choose like basically whatever floor you want. and the finishing touch. There we go. See? So that's how you make your very own elevator using scaffolding. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Time to go up. Never mind, I wanna go down.